Social work to me is being able to help a very challenged population, people that struggle with homelessness, poverty, the criminal justice system.
Helping people be as mentally, physically, spiritually healthy as they can be and navigate the world through challenging situations.
Springfield College gives a well-rounded knowledge base on all the different topics you can need as a aspiring social worker.
This is a generalist program, and because of that, you're getting a very broad education on social work. That doesn't mean that you're not going to get some intense clinical practice as well, because in practice 1, you're getting a lot of clinical base. In practice 2, it's going to be group work, but you're also learning about policy, and you're learning about macro work, and you're learning about school settings and criminal justice settings.
Everything that I learned translates into internships and things like that. And without the confidence that I've learned from my professors, and I don't think I would have got the job that I am going to be doing after I graduate, which is being a pretrial officer.
So from the first week of our first semester in the program, you start at a practicum. Second year is going to be a little bit more substantial. That will also be a year-long placement. So right now I'm in a high school working with 11th graders and a caseload of students. Next year, I think that I want to be in an inpatient in a hospital. So very broadly different experiences. That's also a really positive part of the program.
I definitely made the right decision choosing Springfield College, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm really upset that it's coming to an end soon because I've learned so much and I really don't want to stop learning from everyone here.